What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So while I was looking at a lot of cryptocurrency today, I see some movers, some things that are moving a little bit, and some other things that are moving quite a bit. And one position that I've been excited for to get started moving or to get the ball rolling would be Cardano. And Cardano is moving a decent amount today, and I'm really happy to say that I'm glad that I made an extra investment into Cardano when I did, and now we're sitting on 10,000 Cardano. I wanted to go through what it's doing today, kind of why it's doing it as well, and then also go through some more points as to why I believe that Cardano may be running to crazy levels as soon as we see some sort of bullish momentum for the crypto market, not just like one position, but overall. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links that are down below. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel. Now we have a couple of things down there for different exchanges. If you want to get Cardano and other exchanges like a Coinbase or whatever, we have it down there. Let me quickly take a drink first. I think that might have been the first drink that I took all day. And right now it's 1:40. So I need to start drinking more water. Anyways, let's talk about Cardano. Why are we even mentioning this? Well, I've been invested in Cardano for a while now. Pretty much since I've been invested in, cryptocurrency. I think I started with a lot of plays that would give me an APY. And Cardano was one of those plays that would give me an APY, not on Coinbase, but definitely had the ability to give me a larger APY being proof of stake. And that's just, I want to be a part of that concept, right? Part of that consensus. And I think that Cardano was definitely leading the way. Obviously, you didn't have Ethereum with the merger yet. You had the thought or the idea of it. But you had Cardano that was living it, right? That it was part of, it was basically the not the pioneer, but it was there. It was the one to really start it all, start all the interest, right? At least for me, it was. So I wanted to talk about Cardano. I wanted to show you what it's doing today. And let's go ahead and dive into that information. So if we go into the crypto market, we're going to see the entire crypto market is up to about a 1.2 trillion dollar market cap. More specifically, 1.19, up about 1% today. And we can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of things are moving and that are positive. But you're going to see here that Cardano is up by 9% today, 11%, almost 12% in the last 7 days. Majority of that is coming from the last 24 hours. It's up to 40 cents. It got up to about 41 cents today, I believe, a high of about 41 cents. I bet if we check the trading view, we're going to see that it did break. Oh, it didn't break 41 cents. It got very, very close to it, but it didn't break that level. You could see that more recently in March, it was down to about 29 cents and did start to climb up to this level of 40 cents. So I was able to purchase more, and I'll show you how much I do have when we go over to Coinbase. But I was able to purchase more at the low and see exactly where things are going from there. So let me quickly deny this call. Sorry, Erica. I will call her right after this video. But anyways, we're seeing it at about $14 billion market cap. We're also seeing fully diluted at an $18 billion market cap. Again, we're at a 40-cent price. And, we're seeing about $581 million worth of volume. Now, typically when you see pumps like this or movement like this, you're getting closer and closer to the $1 billion level that gets invested in there, especially for something that's a top 10 cryptocurrency. And if you take away the stable coins, you're looking at like a top 5 cryptocurrency, really. So definitely something that holds a lot of value, a lot of push to it. And currently the circulating supply, 37.7 billion coins that are out there. We've seen this at a much higher market cap than where it's at right now. So knowing that 40 cents is not the lowest, but it is definitely a very, very low price, shows that it has a lot of opportunity for growth. Now, how much do I have? um, at the risk of getting interrupted again, how much do I have? So if we go over to Coinbase, you're going to see that over here they have it listed at 41 cents. So basically rounding up, it's 9% up. You're seeing how it did climb over the last 24 hours, 14.1 billion. But here we go. Here's something that I really like to look at. I like to focus on to understand how much other people believe in it, not just me. You're looking at 202 days of typical hold time for Cardano there, which is definitely huge, meaning that people are holding it for a very, very long time. You're gaining a 2% APY on Coinbase. It just makes sense. For me, I have 10,000 Cardano. For some reason, it's not showing how much Cardano I have listed here. So let's refresh this and let's see if we can get how much I do have listed right there. For some reason, it's saying that I have zero balance of ADA. But let's go over to my assets, and you're going to see that I have 10,000 ADA in my wallet, worth about $4,072.66. No idea why I didn't show it over to the right, but maybe Coinbase is just not really showing things the right way. But I'm up right now, $664, and I plan to see it grow a lot more. I'm not going to take any type of profit until probably well above $1. I believe it can get easily back to the previous market caps that it has been to, which has been a $90 billion to $100 billion market cap. So it's been right up there with some of the likes of XRP, BNB, Dogecoin, all of those that have been up there with a lot of popularity. And what's really the reason why this is happening? I kind of want to push through this because I gotta call Erica really quick. I don't want to leave her kind of in the dark there. But here we go. We have this news. So Cardano will be a top EVM chain next month. So Cardano users are soon expecting to be able to access Ethereum virtual machine contracts straight from their Cardano ADA wallets, increasing the network's value for users and developers. And Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM, is a runtime environment for executing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It functions as a decentralized virtual computer that developers can use to create decentralized applications and deploy smart contracts. The EVM ensures that security and isolation of smart contracts from a broader Ethereum network while enabling the execution of smart of contract code. EVM is designed to be both blockchain agnostic and language agnostic, meaning that it can potentially be implemented on other blockchains, and developers can use various programming languages to write smart contracts. However, Solidity is the most widely used language for coding Ethereum smart contracts. So obviously this is big news. I'm not going to go through the entire thing because, again, I got to call Erica back. But this is some big news, and we're seeing some more and more articles on this. I've seen 3 articles that have already been on it, but the point is that from an investment side, from your investment side, if you're already in it, you've made 9% at least, depending on where things were when you invested. You can have invested lower, but it definitely still is at a low price. The point is that are you willing to risk, seeing that gain and seeing a retracement versus seeing the long-term potential, long-term gain of it, getting above $1, getting above $2, growing to a way higher level. I'm very excited to see what Cardano can do overall, but there's more support than just me with 202 days of typical hold time. I mean, it. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. And if you want to check out anything else, go ahead and check that out in the links below. But I'm going to make this call. I'm going to get out of here also. So, I'll catch you guys in the next one.